If your air conditioner is not cooling, here are the 6 most probable causes. During operation, the AC unit's air filter can become clogged with debris, greatly reducing the cooling capacity of the unit. You should remove and clean the air filter periodically and replace it with a new one if the filter is excessively soiled or damaged. As part of the cooling system, the AC unit's condenser coils dissipate heat as refrigerant passes through them. Over time, dirt and debris can build up on the coils, making the air conditioner less efficient at cooling. We recommend cleaning the coils periodically by using compressed air to dislodge the debris and a vacuum with an attachment to clean the inside of the cabinet. When the air temperature rises above a set point, some models have a temperature-controlled thermostat that will switch on the power to the fan motor and compressor to resume the cooling process. A defective thermostat can prevent voltage from being sent to the motor or compressor. Unplug the AC unit, then set the thermostat to its coldest setting, and use a multimeter to test the thermostat for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the thermostat tests negative for continuity, the thermostat is defective and should be replaced with a new one. A run capacitor stores an electrical charge, then releases it to power the compressor or fan motor. If the capacitor is defective, the air conditioner may be unable to cool. When a capacitor fails, it will often bulge or leak. You can also determine if a capacitor is faulty by using a multimeter to test the capacitor's ability to store and release an electrical charge, as well as determine if the component has a proper capacitance rating, provided the multimeter has a capacitor testing function. Before handling the capacitor, you should release the potentially stored electrical charge to avoid injury. You can do this by placing needle nose pliers with an insulated handle across each set of terminals. Be careful not to touch the metal portion of the tool when doing this. The compressor, which pumps refrigerant through the condenser and evaporator coils, could be malfunctioning as well, although this is a less common problem. Since a new compressor will need to be installed by a licensed technician, it's usually not cost-effective to replace this part. The unit's main control board regulates the voltage to the compressor and fan motor, so a faulty board could result in the unit not cooling. Again, this is a less common problem, and you should verify the other more commonly defective parts are working properly before considering a control board replacement. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your air conditioner.